Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, how to automate captchas using Selenium. Let me answer. First of all, why captchas are designed and put on the web applications by the developers of the applications? To prevent automation, okay? To prevent the bots, automation bots, captchas are generally designed, okay? To allow only the real humans to use the application and to restrict this automation and bots. Okay, that's the main purpose of the captcha. But the question here is how to automate captchas using Selenium. So using Selenium, how to overcome captchas we are saying. That is a wrong mindset altogether. Okay, in real applications, if some captchas are there, it's not a correct thing to automate them, to hack them or whatever it is. It's not, it's against the captchas, right? It's against why applications are putting the captchas on their website. So then what is the solution? You see, we should separate two types of environments here. That is, one is a test environment. That is, before the application is released into the market, this is the test environment, and after the application is released into the market, that is live environment. Okay, so on live environment, we should not be able to automate the captchas and all, but in the test environments, there are some ways. Okay, in test environments, we can avoid captchas in some way. That's okay, because here only for testing purpose we are doing this kind of things. Okay, so first way is get it disabled in the test environment, because whatever the application that you are testing, you know the developers who are developing that application, right? You can contact the development team and say that this particular scenario we cannot automate. Okay, we cannot automate and run our automation scripts just for testing purpose. Can you disable it? Okay, in the test environment at least. So developers can disable it and we can run our automation scripts. Okay, that's one way. Second way is hard coding the static captcha in the developer code. Captcha will still be there, but some static code will be given. You see, when on entering that, right, using the automation scripts, every time the same captcha will be entered, captcha will be displayed on the application, and you will be entering the same static captcha as an answer to that, and you'll be able to overcome that captcha. That's another way. Okay, either to disable it or they have to give the answer. Okay, how to solve that captcha answer, and that should be static, so the same answer can be given every time. The automation script will run without any problem. Okay, and third way is bypassing captcha using some hooks or APIs. Okay, developers may also give you some hooks or APIs which you can include in your automation scripts, and they can bypass the captcha also. Either disable it or bypass it, or give some static captcha that testing team can use. Whenever the captcha comes, right, the same static captcha answer should work. Okay, like that, some solutions are there, but those solutions are only for the test environment, not for the real environment. Okay, once the application moves into the real environment, real live live thing, right, then we should not be able to automate that. Okay, fine. And what is the proof that captcha cannot be automated by default with Selenium, and we have to follow this kind of alternative paths in our test environments and all? The proof is here. You can go to the official website of Selenium. I'll just open this in the browser and show you. The official website of Selenium, it's clearly mentioned that captcha cannot be automated, and its purpose is to prevent the automation. You see, captchas, the official website of Selenium. So is explicitly designed, developers explicitly design the captchas to prevent automation or bots and only allow the real human beings. Okay, so the captchas are there. So it's not a good idea to, so do not try to automate captchas. Selenium itself is saying do not try to automate captchas, but there are some strategies to get around captcha checks in our test environments. That is, you can ask the development team to disable the captchas in your environment, test environment, and development team may give you some additional alternative ways, like they can add a hook or an API, which can, using which, right, we can bypass the captcha. Okay, so we have to go with these strategies in our test environments to overcome the captchas, but in real-time environments, we should not be able to automate captchas using any other automation tools, including Selenium. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.